Hi everyone, in this video tutorial we will be going through the part 2 of the table of content of Java, where we will discuss all individual topics in macro level. You can able to see one Excel workbook over here where you can able to see different worksheets with different names. So I'll just take you to the topic list initially. Yes. So in first topic, introduction to Java programming language, how to create the sample program, and what are all the different operators, method, print and println, basic control structure, switch case. In first two topics we will be completing all this. Then in third topic we will be knowing how to give the user input, scanner class, why we will use scanner class, what is scanner class, in which package it will come. We already discussed, but these are all the macro level topics we will be using with the content understanding and the scenario practices and examples. Fine. And we will be working with RS. When we will work with RS, single dimensional array operation, initialization, data entry into the array, accessing individual elements, double dimensional array object methods, array to string conversion, all the things we will work with. Then we will work with class and object. How can we create different classes in Java, working with multiple classes, creating object, accessing class members from main class, access specifiers. Fine. Now string class, how can we create a string class, what is exactly string class, what are all the different methods in string class constructor, string initialization, string operation method, string validation, string concatenation, all the things we will be working on it. These are the very few things I mentioned over here. Actually one string class methods are listed over here. Each individual class is having separate sets. You can able to see I am into string methods. All the string methods we will work when we will talk about the string classes. So these are all the implementational methods which will be used for different purposes for different types of string operations. So all the methods we are going to understand, we are going to use. Then after that we will be working on string tokenizer, string buffer and string builder. So likewise string tokenizer also one set we prepared. These are all the methods to work with the string tokenizer. Then string buffer methods are there. These are all the methods we need to complete with understanding of syntax, semantics as well as the implementation scenarios. Then a scanner class is also available over here. So likewise for each and every topics we have segregated into different classes, and each class has been segregated into different methods. Those methods we need to complete. Then we will be working with polymorphism, method overriding and method overloading, constructor overloading, and parameterized constructor, default constructor. We will be working with exception handling and threads. So threads will also be one. Here you can able to see threads. Yeah, one second. Yes, these are all the methods we will be working while creating a thread, creating multiple threads, setting the priority, getting the priority. Different methods are there, all the implementational methods we used to work with. Fine. Likewise when we will work with date, calendar, we will be working with all these methods. Fine. And when we will work with collection has been segregated into three different interfaces: list, set and map. So if we will talk about list, array list has been segregated into different methods. Vector has been segregated into different methods. And linked list also has been segregated into different methods. Likewise hash map has been segregated into different methods. So each and every collection has been then set also has been segregated into different methods. So these are all the things we need to complete with the scenarios. Fine. Now exceptions. In exceptions also we will be working with different exception handler. How can we use those? So these are all the macro level topic understanding. You may have a visualization how we will go through the topic and complete the topic. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy learning.